Dear student, in this video I explain the second characteristic property of solids. All solid matter occupies space. See this image, this is an experiment. See this image. Take a measuring jar which is partly filled with water up to 50 ml. So the blue color one is the water level. So take a measuring jar which is partly filled with water up to 50 ml. When a solid, this is a solid, this is a small solid, this is a big solid. When a solid is dipped into the water, dipped into the measuring jar which is partly filled with water up to 50 ml, the level of water rises from 50 to 100 ml. Okay. Now take a larger object, larger solid. When a larger object is dipped into the measuring jar which is partly filled with water up to 50 ml, the water level rises from 50 ml to 150 ml. If it is a small solid, the water level rises from 50 to 100. If it is a larger object, the water level rises from 50 to 150 ml. Okay, so when a larger object is dipped, the rise in level is more. Here the matter occupies a small space when it is a smaller object. Here the matter occupies a more space, 50 to 150, when the object is larger size. Okay, hence we can say all solid matter occupies space basing on their size. Okay. Dear student, in the coming video I explain the third characteristic property of solids. All solids have definite volume using this an experiment. Okay, and for all the videos please click the playlist link which is given in the description part of this video.